100, 200, 300, over 4,700 hectares of forest cover is lost every year in the Philippines.
Biodiversity threatened in the whole country.
Forest destruction is worsening every day.
Widespread logging causing devastated flash floods and mudslides stated by the President.
And thus, environmental rehabilitation is needed. But what is it?
In order to expound environmental rehabilitation, elucidation process it is, comprised with 6 parts.
Definition.
Explication.
Example.
Cause and effect.
Comparison and contrast is excluded, however, to prevent confusion.
Problem and solution.
All with the sole purpose to explain environmental rehabilitation, starting with definition.
Environmental rehabilitation is from the word rehabilitate. Is to return to its former condition that has been disturbed by an activity or development.
To explicate environmental rehabilitation is to understand the word environmental.
It is rehabilitated in order to produce an environment that is functioning at a level that can produce goods and services after aforementioned activities.
It is not simply rehabilitate the environment for today, but also for tomorrow.
There are numerous different examples of how environmental rehabilitation is conducted through removing buildings or artificial infrastructures,
Cleaning up and disposing non-essential materials and toxic chemicals,
and reintroducing vegetation into the soil.
Causes as to why environmental rehabilitation is performed varies. However, primary causes are natural disasters and human interventions or projects.
Especially projects that degrade land. In emphasis are mining, urban sprawl, waste disposal, pollution, etc.
Mining, urban sprawl, waste disposal, and pollution, and the problem it causes will be explained under problem and solution.
Mining, urban sprawls, waste disposal, and pollution causes many problems, and environmental rehabilitation serves as a solution. But what are these problems?
Mining. In the place where it is conducted, all of vegetation is usually cleared, landscape drastically altered, and the ecosystem totally disrupted. It is also connected to waste disposal contaminated with sediments, chemicals, metals, or altered acidity.
Mining operations can also introduce hazards to ecosystems and can involve other areas to further human disturbances and activities. But with performing environmental rehabilitation, it is also a human activity. However, it prioritizes the environment through the said examples of processes from earlier.
Environmental rehabilitation is highly recommended to be performed after mining operations to prevent further damage in the environment.
Urban sprawls also serves as a problem, for it is once more connected to the previous problems, waste disposal and pollution.
It magnifies the risk of environmental hazards not just to human population, but to animal populations as well. Once again, environmental rehabilitation can be a solution to these problems. Plant trees and incorporate green spaces to the cities.
Now, environmental rehabilitation is now fully understood and elucidated.
How and why it should be conducted is explained.
The only thing left, if an opportunity arises, is to actually conduct one of our own environmental rehabilitation.